From major market trends to local updates, this is the financial news you can trust. Brought to you by CIBfx.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Let's hear from our trading room to find out more about the recent developments.
Michael Saylor's Strategy, the world's largest public holder of Bitcoin, continued beefing up its BTC holdings last week amid rebounding investor sentiment and rising prices. Strategy acquired 4,980 Bitcoin for $531.1 million. Gold edged higher, supported by a weaker US dollar, while investors hunkered down for US economic data due later this week for signals on the Federal Reserve's policy path. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq reached new record closing highs, capping their best quarter in over a year as hopes for trade deals and possible rate cuts eased investor uncertainty. Both indexes ended the quarter with double-digit gains. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.5% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 1.3%, following a 1.4% intra-session dip. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook, and on behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.